Hi, I'm Bhumi Pednekar.
Hi, I'm Karthik Aryan.
Hi, I'm Ananya Pandey.
And you are watching
Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Well, we have with us the team of Pati Patni Aur Wo, an interview that I'd been looking forward to eagerly. The promo is hilarious, it's very funny, and the songs are outstanding. Pleasure having you guys on Bollywood Hungama, Karthik, Bhumi and Ananya.
Thank you.
Are you excited with the sort of response that you guys have been getting for the promos?
Absolutely.
We're really happy. We're really happy with the response, and in fact, the first response जो सबके मुंह से आता है जब भी वो ट्रेलर से जब से चालू है कि ये फिल्म सुपर हिट है, सबके एक रिएक्शन आता है. वी आर ओवरवेल्म्ड विद इट. ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आना चाहिए, बट वी आर हैप्पी विद कि जिससे भी इंटरेक्शन करते हैं कि ये सुपर हिट ट्रेलर है, फिल्म अगर ऐसी है या इससे बेटर है तो मतलब बहुत ही अच्छी बात.
Literally, like, you know, even like in our friend circle, family, everyone, without
all
an
kinds
age,
of people.
without all
all
age
genders.
groups, like from my cousins to my uncles and
all
aunts,
genders.
everyone, great.
All genders, all age groups.
Everybody says कि ये फिल्म देखेंगे.
ये film देखेंगे.
ये देखेंगे.
Stop.
Okay, from all sides, everyone. Okay, what about you, Ananya?
Yes, I know exactly. No, because for me, my dad has done comedy films all his life. So for me, it was a really big deal that I'm a part of a comedy film and a situational comedy film. So my favorite reaction will always be his reaction, and he was laughing throughout the trailer. He's so excited to watch the film. So yeah.
So sweet.
So, Karthik, तपस्या की कितनी ज़रूरत होती है लाइफ में?
कितनी ज़रूरत है?
कहीं पर भी पहुंचने के लिए?
कहीं पर भी पहुंचने के लिए, एक मुकाम पे पहुंचने के लिए बहुत तपस्या की जरूरत होती है. और क्या why are you laughing? Who's तपस्या? Me.
I'm referring to hard work.
I'm
referring to the hard work.
You knew the meaning of तपस्या?
Yes, sir.
Right.
हाँ?
Kind of.
I mean, now she does.
चंकी सर ने बताया था तपस्या का मतलब
ट्रेलर
क्या
के
है?
बाद बताया था.
हाँ, ट्रेलर के बाद
ट्रेलर के बाद तो
ट्रेलर मतलब पूरी पिक्चर की स्क्रिप्ट मिल गई.
I knew तपस्या.
I'm joking.
I'm joking.
बट हाँ सर, तपस्या ज़रूरत होती तपस्या की और बहुत मेहनत लगती है, एंड वो इस फिल्म में बहुत मेहनत लगी है, बहुत तपस्या की है मैंने, एंड आई थिंक उसका फल दिख रहा है ट्रेलर पे. हम सब ने तपस्या की है.
हम सब ने
त्यागी
तपस्या की है.
सबकी तपस्या
पूरी हो गई.
6 दिसंबर को नजर आएगी.
मिसेस त्यागी, आपका क्या कहना है चिंटू त्यागी के इस बयान पे?
चिंटू त्यागी का बयान यही है कि उन्होंने बहुत तपस्या की है, लेकिन वेदिका तो एक ही है ना फिर.
वेदिका अखियों से गोली मारेगी.
अखियों से गोली मारी, धीरे धीरे दिल भरा.
सब डालेंगे हम.
Maybe if you guys have not noticed, but these cups they are having your respective
Oh wow.
Pati Patni
I can't
or wo.
bend, so Karthik will give it to
Should
me.
we interchange?
मैं पहले से ही कर
Oh, that's
Should
so
we take
cool.
each other?
That's
Right.
so cool. You want Patni? Okay.
Nice.
Okay, that's interesting. That's cool.
Yep, Bollywood
Cheers.
हंगामा.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers to Pati Patni
Oh,
Aur Wo.
come on, come on, come on. Yay.
पत्नी और वो चीज नहीं की.
हम दिली
You're always cheering each other.
Yes.
Okay. How does it feel that you guys are dancing together in the songs?
You know what?
You're
I've had
supposed
the
to be-
most amount of fun while we were shooting for
Same
अखियों
pinch.
से गोली मारे. We were crazy. एक तो Farah ma'am was choreographing it, so she is तो मतलब
No
another-
filter Farah ma'am.
No filter
filter
Farah.
Farah.
Yeah, she is just
Unfiltered.
such fun, and I think Ananya and I and Karthik, the three of us, we were just fooling around and बहुत डांट पड़ती थी मुझे और अनन्या को, तो मतलब
कार्तिक को
इतनी
नहीं
डांट
पड़ती थी, सिर्फ हम दोनों को पड़ती
कार्तिक
थी.
तो मतलब
लाडला
पूरी
है.
दुनिया का प्यार,
Prospective hero भी हो सकता है ना?
पूरी हो सकता है.
आजकल तो हर फिल्म में कार्तिक आर्यन नहीं, मतलब
बिल्कुल.
every film.
Every film.
अरे
फिल्मों
कितने
में लड़कियां
heroes,
भी चाहिए.
you know, so many of them, the heroes, they are like काश
We
हम-
can't deal
शायद
with
उस फिल्म में हमें होना चाहिए था, लेकिन
काश हमने वो कर ली
कार्तिक है,
होती.
कार्तिक है उसमें.
क्या क्या?
नहीं सीरियसली, विश लिस्ट पे,
What a guy.
विश लिस्ट पे.
Sir, I'm so happy with this wish.
But I think
These
it's
wishes.
well deserving also,
Yeah.
right? He's had like a good journey, and wherever he is, it's because of pure hard work. होना चाहिए. मुन्ना?
Sweet. I think I should also say something.
Yeah,
हाँ.
please
नहीं,
do
वो
the
बहुत
honors.
talented
वो
है.
बहुत talented है.
वो एक मिसाल है हम सब के लिए.
तपस्या का मीनिंग बताओ कोई. हाँ, वो बहुत talented
नहीं,
है.
कार्तिक बहुत टैलेंटेड है, बहुत चार्मिंग है, बहुत स्वीट है, बहुत क्यूट है, बस.
तरस गया ये सब सुनने के लिए.
So tell me, are you a Sagittarius or you are like a Scorpio?
He's a Scorpio, I'm also a Scorpio.
You're a Scorpio, yeah. So both of you are Scorpio, and she's a Cancerian.
Cancerian.
Yeah.
So it's like water sign. I'm a Piscean. So like four water
Water
signs.
signs are
Vibe है.
really gonna
Which
do
is
vibe
something
है.
which
crazy.
is pretty interesting.
कुछ अच्छी वाइब है यार.
Right. Since you're having these cups of Pati Patni or Wo,
Nice
so
photo.
we would like to just find out कि that जो गृहस्थी की कुछ चीजें होती हैं, तो आपको क्या उसके बारे में कितनी मालूमात है?
Who is winning?
Who is
knows where
मैंने
it
अपनी
He is
पिक्चरों
damn
में
competent.
इतनी गृहस्थी वाली चीजें की है
This Bluetooth speaker is really worth fighting for.
मैं कपड़े उतार के भागूं मुझे जीतना
Kartik loves gadgets.
I
This
love
is the
gadgets.
gadget you should
And
fight for.
so it's a new one.
I'm
He
very
is not.
scared.
Yeah, he had the earlier
Bro,
one.
Wait.
Other gadgets.
I want to go, bro. Want that?
I have
लेके
one, you
चलिए।
can take mine.
Can you?
Yeah.
I'll let
तो गृहस्थी की इन चीजों के बारे में पति पत्नी और वो कितना जानते हैं? Let's find out. So please let me complete the question and then you can go for it.
What will you say? You'll say a name.
question.
Let me complete the question.
And we'll
Give you
just say the
option.
name of a household
Arey
thing.
bro, it's a question. Arey friend, it's a question.
Bro,
and you
Shika.
have to
हाँ,
answer.
अरे friend बोलती है।
चलो
Change it.
All right. So the first one is.
ये जैसे कप वैसे बोलते हैं।
Yeah, like what do you drink out of? Cup.
Oh, okay, easy.
हाँ, the only thing is please let me complete it because it's very easy. Okay. The first one is identify this food item that advertisements claim can be cooked and ready to eat in.
Maggie!
किसने पहले
दोनों ने
बोला?
दोनों ने।
मैंने
अरे ऐसे
मैंने
मत करो।
बोला
Bhumi.
मैं
But I did complete the question, but my
Complete.
request is please let me complete it in
And can
totality.
you just like
कैसे
let
ऐसे
him
होगा?
let him take a
अपने अपने
moment.
part
Let him
Yeah,
take a moment.
नहीं ये मैंने complete कर लिया था. That's okay, but in future because
तो ये
it's
count
like
नहीं
level
होगा।
playing field for other people as well.
ये count होगा ये कि
देखिए, no, she is very competitive. हाँ, मतलब she
We
is
know.
like damn
We know.
competitive. Legendary.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad
It's a
thing
very
now.
good thing.
Very good
It's a
thing.
very
Very
good
good thing.
You know, it makes them even more just go for it. All right. So the next
them
one
means
is
you.
okay.
I
don't know
always
what.
win, just be quiet.
So next one is which one of the following fruits is generally sold in dozens? I'll
Kela.
give you options. I'm giving you options.
केला बनाना
केला
I'm giving you options.
केला या
Grapes, apples, bananas.
Grapes!
Bananas,
Apples! Bananas! Grapes, not grapes.
Banana.
Grapes are not
Banana यार है grapes कहाँ से?
everything is sold in
नहीं
dozens.
banana
Apple is actually the right answer. एक
Banana.
dozen मतलब 12.
नहीं
I
यार
think
12 का वो
everything
एक
you
आता
want
है
can be sold in a
Apples
dozen.
are
केला का वो
केला।
केला का 12 का वो आता
Apples are
है
always
6
sold.
का
But
Apples are
grapes
always.
also, there's so many.
अरे स्ट्रगल के टाइम हम एक केला खाते थे 3 रुपए
But
का
grapes
Guys,
also,
we
one second. Can I get
We
a...
have lost and how?
But grapes are not...
4 रुपए के 2 केले आते
But there
3 का
can't be
एक
like 12, no?
Okay.
But you know what I'm saying?
I think this was the wrong
और
question.
That is
12
absolutely right
No,
question.
no,
How
the
can you say that?
question-
6 आते हैं
Correct.
20
How
रुपए
can you
के
say?
Whenever I've heard people say भैया एक डजन संतरा देना,
नहीं,
एक
नहीं।
डजन
Sab, anything
सेब
can be
देना,
dozen like that.
हो
एक
गया, हो गया।
डजन केले देना, एक
Winner,
डजन
winner।
केले देना।
चलो
समझ
बाजी
नहीं
करो।
आया।
The question is
रुक जाओ।
which one of the following fruits is generally sold in
हो गया है सर
Okay.
No, they are not. They're
नहीं, केला।
Bananas का concept है
Banana-
dozen या
अरे
half
सीधा
dozen.
मुंह से
You
बोल
got
रहा।
मालूम।
You got
ये
Maggi,
अकेला
you got
केला का
Karthik got it right. Karthik
Yes,
got it.
sir.
So one
Arey,
all. And
Arey, baka.
Ananya will be opening her account shortly. This is very easy as well. I'll give you options for this.
Okay.
I'll give
आगे
you
बैठने
options for
से
this. But please let me complete
Yeah,
the options.
sure.
अरे
Let me
बट
complete.
तब तक फिर वो
नहीं, आप समझ
हाँ,
you know,
समझ
it is
नहीं
fair for other people. What's
Yeah.
the price of 1 liter Bisleri bottle? 10, 15, 20, 25?
15, 25, 25.
मैं बोला पहले
हाँ?
15 मैं बोला
25, 20. I said 25.
1 लीटर
20, 20.
एक सेकंड इसने 15 25 20 बोला
We
नाल,
can't
नाल,
consider
नाल,
three
that.
जवाब
We can't
20
consider that.
20
Then ये तो आपको जब पहला
20
पहला आपका
नहीं,
ऑप्शन
because
है
it's
ना,
नहीं, नहीं। सर मैं बताती हूँ
आपका
हुआ क्या,
पहला
Mr.
ऑप्शन माना
Answer
जाएगा।
question.
कैंसिल
No, it's no one gets it. No one gets
नो
it.
वन
We move on. One
किसको
on.
बता रहे हो
Okay,
बता तुझे नहीं तो
what's
देख मैंने लिया।
what's the price of Cadbury Perk chocolate bar? 13
Sony-
grams.
10 rupees.
Sir,
10 rupees.
नहीं, नहीं,
Let
option
me
आगे
give you
दो
options.
पहले।
Let me
It's
give you
not
options.
brand.
Chocolate bar 13 grams. 5, 10, 15, 20.
Now say 13
The
grams.
second one.
10,
5, 10, 10. I
10,
said 10. I
10.
said
You
10.
said 15.
I said 10.
She said 10. It's 5.
I have no idea.
I said 5. Please stop this small out. I will get thrown out.
What's the price of Imami Fair and Handsome for men? 30 grams.
Oh,
I'll
I'll
give you
go-
options.
oh,
I'll give you
that's
options.
You're
I'll
only
give you
asking
options.
a brand
जो हमारे
for
brand-
this.
Okay.
Give you options. Okay. Now I'm giving you a
कितना है
range.
ये?
I'm giving you a range.
30 grams आप
I'm giving you a range.
30 grams
35, 45 price. 35, 45, 35 to 45, 51 to 60,
35 to
66
45.
to 75, 80 to
51 to
95.
60.
60
80
to
to
the
90.
third one. The third
51
one.
to 60.
66 to 75?
Yeah.
She got it. It's 75. She got it. One all for all. That is great. It's heating up.
Really?
चलो, चलो, चलो,
I'm
now
feeling it now.
Listen, I can't wait for options.
No, you have
I get
to.
all
Me?
like, ew.
No. Don't worry. I'll have to give you options because it's a range which is there. Okay.
Sir, chalo.
Now this is a very relevant thing for a domestic.
He's cheating like that.
What's
Vicky!
What's
Vicky,
the
type
What's
it
the
off.
price of Pampers Baby Dry Small 5 diapers pack?
Huh?
35 to 45, 50 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to
कितने
80.
50 to 60.
कितने आते हैं
5 diapers pack.
50 to
और
60.
क्या क्या रेंज है
क्या है?
35 to 45, 50 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80.
60.
71 to 80. last one.
Seventy one.
I stick to my
आपका
original. I stick to my 50
I am 71 of
70 से 80.
First,
60 से 70 मैं ले लूँगा.
62.
मैं 60 से
I
70
said
लूँगा.
that.
आप कैसे करोगे?
You said 71.
It is 62.
यार मूवी मेरे आंसर क्यों देख रही है?
It is
He
62.
said 71.
Still,
Firstly, can I get 1 point because they're cheating?
Still one all.
They're looking at Vicky.
All of you are 1 all.
विक्की कौन? विक्की ने तो बोला
Vicky's
सबसे
given all wrong
ज्यादा.
answers.
उसकी वजह से तो हारे.
Still 4 more. It's a very open
मैं
game
एक
right
कप
now.
तोड़ दूंगी नीचे रख दे मैं बहुत.
Okay, what is the price of Parle-G Gluco biscuits?
4 रुपए.
110 grams.
Wait.
Let me 110 grams. Let me give you options: 5, 10, 15, 20.
5,
5,
15.
5.
What is the first option?
5.
10.
Yes.
10.
10.
I said.
But you can't. You
मैंने
can't.
10
you
बोला.
can't go
said
in.
मैंने 10 बोला.
आपने 5 बोला.
मैं 5
You no. मैंने 10 बोला. मैंने 10.
नहीं भूमि ने कुछ नहीं बोला.
मैंने
Still 1 all. It is
अच्छा,
still
1
1 all.
second.
नहीं नहीं
मैं
आपने 5
silent
बोला.
अरे
ये सवाल जो है ना, ये एक गृहस्थी के लिए बहुत जरूरी है.
गृहस्थी
इससे
हुई नहीं
एस्टैब्लिश हो
है.
जाएगा. मैं
हाँ
बताऊं.
हमारी
गृहस्थी
गृहस्थी
नहीं हुई ना.
है.
आप कैरेक्टर्स में हो ना इस वक्त.
मेरी नहीं हुई है.
आप लोग कैरेक्टर्स में हो ना.
मेरी तो गृहस्थी उसमें भी नहीं.
कैरेक्टर्स में हो आप. What is the price? What is the price of 1 kg pack of Tata Salt?
टाटा सॉल्ट.
Wait,
give you
1
options.
second.
I'll give you options.
I'll give you
options.
options.
I'll give you
मत
options.
बोले
I'll give you
चीटिंग
range.
मत कर. चीटिंग मत कर. कितनी चीटिंग कर रही है?
Huh? Listen to the options. 10 to 15,
120.
20 to 24, 25 to 30, 31 to 35.
31 to 35.
The second one. The second
No,
one.
20,
The second one. The
20
second
the
one.
second.
I'm saying the second one. I said the second one.
20 to
Second one.
24.
20 to 24. नहीं, 20 to 24 मैंने बोला.
Hello, I said
Option
it
said the
first.
second one.
I said it first.
She said the second one first.
I said it first.
She said the.
You said
she said it.
second.
So second
No,
one
but
was
How
how?
will we remember the range
It is.
like that? Sir, please हम ऐसे ही guess करें.
नहीं नहीं.
Please.
You know फिर वो आपको आप प्रिसाइज कभी हो ही नहीं सकता ना.
Precise नहीं होगा.
62 रुपए कैसे आप करोगे? 62
यार
रुपीस
20
आप
से
कैसे
24
करोगे?
मैंने भी बोला.
Range is better. Two.
But I said
तो ये
it
दोनों को
first.
देना पड़ेगा.
नहीं,
दो
I
category.
said I
आपको
should
कुछ और.
be.
तीनों को मैंने भी second बोला.
मैंने कुछ भी नहीं बोला.
मुझे तो
मैंने बोला नहीं.
मैंने second बोला.
This is very crucial and it will also show how much
हाथ क्या खड़े कर.
since you have 2 women in your life in
हाँ.
the film.
हाँ सर.
No pressure.
So it's important because this is the era of women empowerment.
Yes.
Yes sir.
What's the price of regular stay free secure sanitary napkins?
35.
20 pads. Let me give you options.
1 second.
20
1 second. 1
हाँ.
second.
45 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80.
Third one.
No.
Second
Second
one.
one.
Oh my God, you're
दोनों
a
ने
cheater.
cheater करके देखा.
Second
You are a
one.
cheater.
I'm not
You are a cheater. वहाँ पे देख रहे हैं. वहाँ पे
It is
सर.
the
I
fourth one.
know.
It is 74.
मैंने
74
बोला
rupees.
इसको कि सेकंड वन मत कर. मैं फोर्थ में लगा रहा.
Pati Pati is very cheap.
मैं पत्नी को बचा रहा था. मैं
This
उसके
is-
लिए मैं
there is-
अपने आंसर
I
पे
think
आ
I
गया.
should get the point.
There is no. Why should you?
Why should you
Sorry,
get it?
why
Why
not?
should you get it?
Why
No,
not?
what is it?
Okay.
74.
74. So it's 2-1-1. She is still leading.
74.
Ananya.
I'm
Complete
leading.
Oh my
Four
God,
days.
come on.
I'm low-key
Last-
leading.
अबे तुम लोग को देखना ही नहीं चाहिए.
Where are you?
Yeah, then why are you listening? Then who are you asking?
तुमने
Okay.
3 आंसर देख तीनों गलत.
Okay.
चलो.
एक
Last
सही,
question.
क्या पकड़ो.
All right.
So come on.
So,
हाँ.
what's the price of Manforce condom pack of 3? 10, 15, 25, 30.
25.
Second.
Third.
25.
Third.
You got
Third.
it.
अरे तो why
Hero नहीं दे रहे.
कहाँ गया? कैसे? मेरा हो चुका. नहीं.
It is
It was
third.
third. I said third. I said third. I said third.
Yes,
I
yes.
said
No,
third.
हो गया. मैं आंसर में.
25 rupees.
अरे भैया 25
आपने क्या
रुपीस.
Okay, wait, wait.
Bhumi, don't confuse it.
मैंने
Don't
range
confuse
दिया.
it. We all know. ये
मैंने
confuse
price
करना.
दिया. 10,
Price दिया.
15,
No, sir, this is not
25.
okay.
Bhumi, you're only
नहीं,
confused.
मैंने
You're
options दिए.
confused है
मैंने
बहुत.
options दिए.
No, no,
मैंने
I'll
precise
be
options.
It's a tie.
It's a
I'm
tie.
being cut.
Tiebreaker.
It's a tie.
Tiebreaker आ
So
गया.
let's have, I think, one more question quickly.
This
You
was a-
can't
I
look
don't
there.
have the.
This time you can't look there. Just win or
मैंने
lose.
उनके बिना
Okay,
बोला.
man force
You
you know you know
This
the
I
answer.
knew.
Now
This I
the-
knew. But
I'm losing badly.
मैंने
You're
उनको
out. It's tiebreaker.
इन लोगों ने मुझे 3 बार हरवाया.
There's going to be another tiebreaker.
पब्लिक ने हरवाया.
ये दोनों शेयर कर लेंगे स्पीकर.
नहीं, I don't want to share.
स्पीकर है.
But it's wo and pati.
They'll share. The patni is very
हाँ?
giving.
Accommodating. Okay, so we'll give it to both of them.
No, I'll give it to her.
Come on.
Oh.
Okay.
If there's a reason. No,
I'll take it. I'll take
no
it.
you can't take
Give
it.
it to me.
No.
Give. I
Speech.
want.
I want to hear धीमे धीमे.
Speech,
Please.
Ananya.
No,
I would like
we-
to thank my parents.
And I would like to thank her parents as well, and my parents as well.
Okay.
और
And
आगे तो
Bhumi
बोल.
maybe somewhere.
And Bhumi for losing. For being so
Bhumi-
easy to play with.
Yeah.
Thank
She
you.
was not.
She's very easy.
Thanks.
To play with.
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Lemon squeezy.
Give my.
That is nice. चलो. Okay, done.
Rapid fire with Karthik. Aryan.
इसे पहले अनन्या
नहीं,
ये बहुत young है
youngest young.
We'll start with you.
पहले अनन्या
Very monstrous.
ये actually ये मेरा
You put it in.
flow है.
And whatever
Flow मेरा
happens,
है.
you are going to bring that in.
flow है वाह चलो juices are flowing in
Okay. Our last rapid fire, by the way,
Creative
trended on
juices.
YouTube India for 3 days.
Mine, huh?
Yes.
I'm
That's why you
rapid
should
and full
start
of-
with her.
Yeah.
No, but I need to like live up to my expectations.
live up to your
All right.
expectations.
How would you answer following question asked to every newly
हाँ
married man by his relatives or neighbors? और बेटा गुड न्यूज कब दे रहे हो?
बस 9 महीने में
शादी के फौरन बाद?
हाँ सर
What about like
उतावले हैं ये।
taking-
उतावलेपन है
All right.
No man force there. That was a good one.
but branded
Control.
And
branding
let me add over here that if you add punches to the
Then
other
you get a
rapid
point.
fire,
आएगा.
you get points for that.
Oh,
so I
I'm
get
good at
1
that.
point.
1 second
But Abhi, no one said it's a good point.
Not a matter
it's
of
not a good
point,
point
but yeah.
He'll decide.
But
I
Sean
think
needs to
it's a
say
good
it's a
one.
good
but
one.
I
see,
think
it
it's
is
a good one.
it
no
is
that's not a good
No, it's not a good one.
It is
See,
a
the idea is
good
it is
one.
collaborative.
Sorry, sorry,
It
it's very
becomes
good.
collaborative.
collaborate कैसे हो जब मेरा point चला गया वहाँ
नहीं point नहीं चला गया in the sense that she's scoring.
Appreciation हो रही है.
She's
Appreciation
scoring.
है
She's
बस.
scoring. You have scored as well.
Okay.
You have scored as well. 9 months
Okay.
is good.
Okay.
Good actually.
yeah
One question asked by husband that wife will never answer directly.
तुम अपने आप को मिरर पे देख के आजकल ज्यादा स्माइल कर रही हो इट्स डीप एक्चुअली
It's
Right.
too deep.
It's too deep.
मुझे समझ ही नहीं
But
आया.
तुम
नहीं
अपने आप को
समझो।
शीशे में देख के बहुत आजकल मुस्कुरा बहुत रही हो क्या बात है?
Territorial.
पिक्चर में भी आपके कुछ हुआ है ना?
Shakki
वाइफ का
boyfriend.
अफेयर चल रहा है कुछ ऐसा
Shakki, I love how this guy.
दिस गाय out of everywhere
Guts.
Guts on toast.
Sus.
it was a good one but
It's a good one.
it's a good
I'm
deep
giving
one
better ones.
I didn't understand it.
She's-
I'm not giving a point to
she's-
this.
but
Then
this
it's
was
okay,
not
no
collaborative this was something
Of
else
course
No, no,
this
it's
was
off the record
No, no, I think it's
I love how.
it is going very nicely.
Okay.
It works for us.
Okay.
Out of following, who would be your out of following? Who would be your patni and who would be your wo?
Interesting.
This is
चलो
hypothetical.
Hypothetical.
hypothetical
Tara Sutaria, Kiara Advani, Sara Ali Khan, Nusrat Bharucha,
who would be patni
and who would be wo?
Tara Nusrat Sara and
Kiara.
Kiara
You do. You do.
Kiara would be patni because I'm हाँ
Because
actually
you're working with her, she's your patni.
नहीं भूल हाँ मैं फिल्म के उसमें जा रहा था I think Kiara and Tara
As
Patni.
what, as what?
as what
As patni and Sara and Nusrat as wo.
Two?
दो करूँ
दो
दो करना है क्या
It's up to you.
नहीं तो मेरे लिए easy है
इतना easy बना दिया.
सर तो
No, I don't think you should give this four thing. He has to
Huh?
say honestly two things.
Just see.
सारा कियारा हो गई पत्नी
हाँ.
और नुसरत और तारा हो गई वो
It's very easy.
वो
इट्स नॉट एन इजी वन
ये
इट्स
तो
अ
है।
गुड वन
No, it's a good
It's a
one.
good
चार
one.
ऑप्शन दिए उसने बांट
उसने
दिए.
बांट दिया
क्या है?
क्या है
क्या है?
That's a fair.
I'm
If
winning
you were
the
to
speakers.
set up Ananya with any Bollywood actor, who would that be?
You see
because she has a crush on Kartik Aaryan.
No!
I would set
No,
her up with
exactly.
Kartik Aaryan. ताली बजी भाई.
कहाँ ताली बजी? I can't
But-
hear it.
I think it's a good one.
It's a good one. It's a really good
It's
one.
a
I
good
can I reject it?
Guess
Do I have an option?
No. You have to be collaborative.
Okay, so if you were
See,
to
यहाँ भी score किया.
जी
Collaborative.
बिल्कुल. If you were to write
Guess who's trending on YouTube? He's taken
He's
your
taken.
throne, babe.
Karthik, if you were to write a Tinder bio of Bhumi Pednekar, what would you write?
Ooh.
और भूमि पेडनेकर.
Maybe very raunchy.
हाँ. दम लगा के हईशा. Raunchy you said. It's a good one.
Listen, he's won. Don't play with us. We are done. We're going home.
I'm blushing. I'm blushing.
Red hot chili pepper.
Red hot chili pepper.
दम लगा के हईशा.
And what would you write in hobbies?
Listen, let's just
शुभ मंगल सावधान.
Listen.
अबे इसने फिल्में की ऐसी.
He's won.
Okay,
I know there's no toilet in there.
Hobbies.
Toilet.
okay. Answer following questions as Ananya Pandey.
As Ananya
Complete the sentence.
You have to do it like
Karthik
me.
needs to get rid of.
Can I answer it?
Yeah, please do that.
As me. Get rid of what?
Any girl.
Maybe not.
Any girl.
Needs to get rid of any girl. Okay.
Any कोई भी लड़की.
सर जीत गया है ये आप क्यों हमारे
He's
लिए
really
लड़ाई
revealing
कर रहे हो?
Arey, nahi, I am confident of both of you. I'm super confident. Karthik should take lessons from me on how to.
On how to put
Love
captions
IP. Yeah, good one.
on Instagram. How to love नहीं. How to love.
Yeah, you should have heard.
That's how I score.
You do. You absolutely do.
Yeah.
One thing that changes about girlfriend's behavior when she becomes your wife.
This is Ananya.
No, this is you.
This is me.
That's over.
That's over.
Moving on.
Ananya's.
Ananya
This
is.
was Ananya's never over, yeah. हाँ. So one thing, girlfriend and what?
One thing that changes a girlfriend when she becomes a patni.
She becomes a patni. I don't think so. Anything changes.
Good, clever. Smart.
Nothing changes.
Good answer.
Okay. If someone
मेरी
wants
पत्नी मेरी girlfriend होगी.
Sweet.
if someone wants to date Sara Ali Khan, what 3 tips would you give to him?
I think वो उन्हें tips दे देंगे.
She will give tips to. Okay.
ऐसे मुझे.
I think we should go home. This one.
अगर आपको हकीकत और कपोल कल्पना में से किसी एक को चुनना हो तो आप किसे चुनेंगे और क्यों?
मैं हकीकत में जीना पसंद करता हूँ. कपोल कल्पना मैं घर पे सोते हुए भी कर लूँगा.
That was a very deep,
Deep,
one.
very deep. Spectacular rapid fire.
Sir,
I'm not doing. I'm not doing.
Okay.
Can you answer for me?
Yes, I'll be collaborative.
Okay, so rapid fire with Ananya. If you had to put up a matrimonial ad for Karthik, what would it say?
I'm not putting.
That's a good one.
He's not available.
He's not
available.
It's taken. Okay.
Sorry, I'm
They
not
should put it
available.
like that. Good one.
I won.
I gave it.
Trended.
He's not
Trended on
available.
YouTube.
If Karthik was your real life husband, what one thing you would want to change about him?
One thing you would change.
I think I would give others a chance to talk.
All right.
You don't let me
Not
speak.
trending. No,
But I trended in the first one, now it's over.
A question that no boyfriend should ask his girlfriend.
Wait, 1 second, I know this.
You know this. You can come up with a witty answer.
Help now, give now.
What,
Vicky.
one? What?
One question a boyfriend should not ask his girlfriend.
His girlfriend.
How long will you
Take to get ready, na? Oh, you're not wearing. No, no, that.
If you find out your boyfriend is cheating on you, what's the first thing you'd do?
Bounce.
Oh.
Bounce.
Where?
I off,
Leave.
like leave.
Leave.
3 qualities your
No, I actually want to put him in those situations where I know, but I want to see how well he lies.
That's crazy.
Yeah, and I want to record
That's
it.
torturing.
I want to record
That's
it.
torturing.
No, it'll be fun.
It'll be fun.
You're looking crazy.
So
You're
excited.
looking
I just
crazy
stopped.
right now.
खुशबू तपस्या से आती है. True or false and why?
खुशबू तपस्या से आती है क्योंकि
क्योंकि तपस्या
खुशबूदार है. Don't say that.
that makes no sense. क्योंकि तपस्या
क्योंकि वो खुशबू किसी और ने कभी सूंघी नहीं होती है. नई खुशबू है ना.
छी.
तभी आती है. इसको
क्योंकि वो
हाँ. sorry.
I've lost.
You've lost
I've
it.
given up.
You've lost तपस्या.
I'm giving me hard questions.
Very tough.
It's not. Okay.
Can you
so-
just
they are
count my
easy
first answer as my full rapid
They are
fire?
questions.
No, no, it's okay. It's okay.
उसमें भी मेरा आंसर.
Okay.
I said that.
What's your worst habit you'll never break?
Biting my nails.
Who was your first celebrity crush?
हाँ,
मैं?
very good.
So
Celebrity
we
crush.
all know.
First or right now?
First celebrity crush.
First?
One
No,
and
you're not my
only.
first. I'm not young, but I'm not that young. Hrithik Roshan.
Craziest rumor you've heard about yourself?
What is this? What is this? You are buying time by doing this.
Craziest rumor I've heard about myself that Karthik and I are best friends.
Okay.
That's a rumor.
That's a rumor. Then,
Okay, so moving on to Moonpay
Moving on.
My first and last answer was really good.
It is
But
good.
all
The
my
entire-
answers were
It is.
bang
It
on.
is.
My
It is.
questions, Khushbu and
The
I.
entire thing is
इसको
good.
कुछ पानी
We are
की
moving to no, you know it is still not settled
It's
because
not
Movie Pending is still
But
around.
I'm with a lot of love giving it to these.
No, you have to. We want to hear
तरह।
you.
ये lifetime achievement.
We want to hear
Giving
you.
it to them.
We want to hear you.
Chalo.
If you were to
Okay.
write a Tinder bio for Karthik Aryan, what would it read?
ये तो easy.
Always available.
Contradictory.
Okay.
Contradictories too.
My bio.
If you have to think like Mrs. Tyagi, one thing that makes Karthik the good husband and one thing that makes him the bad husband.
I think what makes him a good husband is his sense of humor. What makes him a bad husband is also his sense of humor.
Good one.
Okay. What's that one thing that changes about boyfriend's behavior when he becomes your
Yeah,
husband?
But it's good husband. Huh?
What changes?
What's that one thing that changes about boyfriend's behavior when
I
he
think
becomes
they
your
just become very boring and mundane about life because they're looking for woes.
woes as in WOES or
Both.
okay.
They're giving woes
You are
and they are
scoring.
looking
You are
for
scoring.
woes.
We are giving the point to Farid also.
Which celebrity couple do you find an ideal couple?
Pretty couple.
Should I trend?
No.
For celebrity couple.
Just keep it.
Kareena and Saif.
Safe.
Safe.
That's a very safe answer.
Ina.
If any girl wants to date Kartik Aaryan, what tips would you give to her?
Tips.
He's a handful. Be prepared.
Handful.
I second that.
All right.
How would you second that and first that?
We have first-hand experience.
What about scene?
I'm not speaking. No, please call her.
No, but she's scoring now. Okay.
I'm
She's
not
scoring.
talking.
No,
No,
no, just give it to them.
I said we.
Speaker. Wow, what we? I have no experience. No. What we?
Even I don't. I was
Please
just
don't get
How are you saying
I was
handful?
making a
क्या
joke.
हो रहा है आप?
One question that most of the husbands will never give an honest answer to.
What were you doing?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Okay, Varun Sara or Kartik Sara, which jodi are you more excited to see on screen?
Oh God. I really like Love Aajkal as a film, so I'm quite excited to see what they do with this Kartik Sara.
Okay, if your prospective husband inquires about your hobbies, what will you tell him?
What?
If your prospective husband inquires about your hobbies, what will you tell him?
Hobbies.
If he asks me कि आपकी hobbies क्या है,
Right.
आपको तो जवाब पता है जी हमें.
Dash.
So I think she's doing very well as well. It becomes very tough now. It becomes very tough. So I think, but I think overall,
सब
Overall.
फिर से कार्तिक.
But I think I deserve
overall,
it. I really
I
made a
think
fool of myself.
all three I think are really
See,
good.
for them it's all in the house. I think it should all come here.
Bhumi.
But I think
Ananya, you said enough. You said enough. मेरे बोलने के कुछ सारे इतने बड़े-बड़े.
ये क्या था? ऐसे इतना
you know,
बोलने
but
को?
I feel, you know, it's my personal feeling. Considering that she's
Sir, आप मुझे दे
had
दो.
some really
मैं-
good
मैं
points.
पत्नी के साथ बात
नहीं,
करूंगा.
let's be fair. Let's be
Let's be fair. That's what I'm saying.
I think Bhumi Pednekar, by virtue of very thin margin, she
Well,
has
Imagine.
thin margin. She
Well,
has, she has scored. Yeah, I think so.
Sorry,
I think we really
She
revealed a lot.
contributed in I think every rapid fire. Sir. Let's be
I
fair.
did.
So did-
Let's be fair. So
Let's be
Kartik, if you
fair.
can please give it to
You want to give it to
her.
me?
Yeah.
This I would give Kartik Aaryan.
What you would get? I won it.
No, I think
I think
I think
deserved
this
it.
I,
I'll
with a
give
lot
it-
of love, give Mr. Chintu Tyagi.
good
5-second challenge with Bhumi, Kartik and Ananya.
Girl, Ananya.
Okay, so
So I have to do all five.
I'm giving
no,
it
no,
to you.
no. One. 3 words for a partner who's cheating on you.
Go away now.
Huh?
That's 3 words.
That's 3 words.
Fair
That's
enough.
fair.
That's a sentence.
That's a fair one. Kartik,
हाँ?
concentrate. 3 things you need
Sir,
to
three सोचने में बहुत
5
time लगता है.
seconds. 3 things you'd never want to find in your house.
I never want to find in my house.
Huh.
3 girls.
You never want to find 3 girls.
I think it's fair.
I think it's. No,
It's a
this is not for a lie. This is not a lie detector.
It's a good answer. Please
a
give
good
it to
answer.
me. Yeah.
Oh God, okay.
Bhumi,
Bitty.
3 things you should never say to your wife.
That you're looking fat. Please don't chill with your friends. And you're wearing too much makeup.
Time out.
Time out
There
हो
was a
गया.
timer.
Timer था ना.
5 seconds.
तूने
Timer.
6 sentences
He's
मार
time-
दी.
he's doing the
Timer
time.
है.
I don't know. It comes like this.
Yeah, he's
3 girls together.
Okay, 1-1.
3
and
girls
Bhumi has
together
to
is the
open.
answer.
3
3
girls.
girls.
Chalo, chalo.
3 girls together.
Ananya, top 3 actors right now in Bollywood.
Kartik Aaryan, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan.
What was the question?
Top 3 actors in Bollywood
I said your
right
name,
now.
I'm so sweet.
With superstars.
Yeah.
Okay.
you.
Top 3 actresses right now in Bollywood.
दीपिका पादुकोण.
Better be.
अरे ये क्या है यार? दीपिका प्रियंका और करीना.
I said your name first. Change your answer. Change it.
Change it.
Live with it. Come on.
I'm never saying your name now. You see. No.
Okay.
Three faces you make when someone uses cheesy pickup line on you. She got it. She got it.
क्या था?
She got it.
Same face था तीनों बार.
नहीं नहीं
माँ.
तीन अलग थे अलग थे अलग
3 things that you forget a lot.
She's forgotten. ये बोल गई.
To eat, to drink water. One second, wait.
भूल गई थी.
3 things that make any girl look sexy.
हाँ. Eyes, smile, sense of humor.
But that is.
She's got it.
Eyes everyone has.
Bhumi.
I'm not.
Name 3 celebrities whose name starts with K.
कार्तिक आर्यन कटरीना कैफ कामना पंजाबी
कामना नहीं है.
कायनात
है
नहीं है
क्यों बिग
Guys,
बॉस
काम्या
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 भोपू दो
मैंने देखा काम्या पंजाबी स्वीट
wrong answer
Wrong answer. This is the last round. Okay, so whoever
I
gets
watched the
it,
Big Boss season. So
whoever gets it,
Whoever gets it.
खरबंदा बोल देती
खरबंदा
कृति सनन
कृति
कृति खरबंदा कृति सनन
okay, so Ananya,
Yeah,
3 words.
Can I speak?
yes
3 words. It's heating up. Whoever scores in this one
Come on.
gets it. 3 words you use a lot.
Shut up, chill, gup.
3. She's ahead right now.
ahead
Three.
खाता कब खुला
No, no.
अभी बहुत पहले
3.
I didn't mean that.
Okay. Karthik. 3 things you do before you go to bed.
I drink I eat and I say prayers
What?
ऐसे prayers
prayers
Name any 3 sports.
no I'm not ready
हो गया
Sports, you have to change
अरे
the question.
change the question change the question
I'll change.
yeah क्या
3 things you do when no one's home.
She farts.
ये DQ
Okay, so we'll have a tie-up between Ananya and Karthik.
I'm proud of us.
Proud of us.
One question each to both of you. Nee, one question. One question to each of you. Okay.
that's what this I should win
My name
Okay.
is answer.
better
Okay.
हाँ what
We'll have to give it to her.
Yeah.
3 things you say when India loses a cricket match.
Oh no, why?
एक सेकंड वो बोला पहले मैं
Oh, no, why? Like that. That is what I say.
इतने एक्सप्रेशन फिल्म में दे देती
He's being rude to me.
no चलो
दे
I really acted well.
ये वाला पहला आंसर था इसका
I think I should get this.
ये पहला आंसर था
Karthik, name any 3 Marvel superheroes.
आयरन मैन सुपरमैन स्पाइडरमैन अबे इट्स अ टाई ब्रेकर
I won.
Ananya Pandey has won this. Ananya Pandey has this is okay. So Karthik, you'll have
सुपर
to
हीरो बोला था
You have to say my name. I don't
Marvel
know.
superheroes.
मैं क्या यहाँ बांटने आया हूँ
प्यार बांटने से बढ़ता है.
ये ले प्यार बांट लिया कुछ बोलना है एक्सेप्टेंस स्पीच
No.
क्विकली
Thank you, mom and dad.
टाइम्स अप
Thank you very much. Lovely having you guys. All the best wishes for the
you.
film. And
Thank
I
you
hope
so
that
much.
you
Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi I'm Bhumi Pednekar
Hi, I'm Karthik Aryan.
Hi, I'm Ananya Pandey.
and you
you're
are watching
Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.